Hello and welcome to the greenhouse once again. It's just started to slightly drizzle. Otherwise we'd have been sat outside in, well, you know, my favourite spot in the growing frame. We've spent some months together now during this lockdown period. It's been an exciting time, and now the garden is blooming, it's blossoming, and it's a series of firsts. Today I can announce my first tomatoes are coming from the flower into beautiful little cherry tomatoes. They're green at the moment, but they'll soon be red and ripe and ready to pick. Isn't that brilliant? We've had our first cucumbers. We've got our first peas almost ready to pick. We've had lettuces aplenty for quite a long time now, and many, many more to come. I've just seen as well my potatoes I've planted for autumn and winter. They're bursting above the ground, so now time is to cover them back up so they'll make more potatoes. And we can do that 3 or 4 times. We've got carrots coming. We've got cabbages and sprouts, onions, and more cucumbers and tomatoes outside. The outside ones, well, they're not as good as this, but they're getting there slowly. And by the end of the summer, they'll take over where these leave off. It's always good to have a rotation of crops. But what I love about this time of year is the contrast between the green leaves of everything that's growing and the summer rain. I've taken a few photographs of the magic that happens when water meets nature on the leaves. One of the sunflowers has got the most beautiful little pond in its leaf. Another one producing diamonds. Well, have a look and see what you think. Cheers, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that look around the garden. I love the plants when they're wet. It just brings something out in them. I'm back into the studio because, well, I've just received the most beautiful gift. I don't know whether you can see here, but I've received some bunting and a postcard, and it's come all the way from Saffron and Barnaby down in Glastonbury. Saffron herself has made these, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. It adds something extra. And so I have my first postcard and my bunting here on the allotment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on Jeremy's Yorkshire Allotment Adventures. Ta-ra for now.